A few days, President Uhuru Kenyatta told Kenyans not to focus on the people whom he terms like thieves. They should not put those people in the government. But when Duale was in a meeting in Kajiado, he tried to maneuver on his way by saying that the president should be specific on those people whom he thinks are thieves that should not be given in the government. Duale went ahead that and tell president that he had all the powers to direct the Auditor General, DCI, SEC, so that they can put that person into the public domain, so that that person should not be elected and to be arrested and thrown in the court. Duale went ahead and told president to call his elder brother Raila Amolo Odinga so that they can have a cup of tea, and if William Samoei Ruto beat Raila Amolo Odinga comes 2022, there will be no violence. What do you think, according to Duale, why he's saying this? These are just ground support that Duale is trying to emphasize that he had for William Samoei Ruto. But is it easy for William Samoei Ruto to beat Raila Amolo Odinga? I don't think so.